Welcome to my channel. This is Rima, your Austin local realtor, making your real estate journey stress-free. Guys, today we're going to be talking about a home inspection on a brand new construction. We're actually at the site performing a home inspection right now. I know my clients also asked specifically, I don't know why I keep getting this question asked a lot, because it's a new construction home. Why do I need to get it? Shouldn't it be covered by the warranty? Yes, it should be. But you don't know anybody that has inspected the property for you. You're paying thousands and thousands of dollars to purchase this property. Why not pay a few hundred to get it inspected and have the builder address all the issues that you find in the home inspection? And at the end, we're going to be talking about what we found in the report. So stay tuned. Okay guys, it's a brand new construction home right here that we're going to be doing a home inspection on. Earlier on, we've also done just a sewer inspection on this property, which I've told my clients to add that on. It is important to get your pipes checked, making sure it's all clean and clear. As this is all nice and clean, you will see there's going to be a bunch of blue tips at this property, but it's not going to be in this video. You'll see a follow-up video for that. Now, what does a home inspector is going to inspect is he's already turned on everything in this house. The lights are up, the fans are running. He's also going to be checking the dishwasher, the oven, and the microwave. Not the refrigerator or the washer dryer that comes with the property, because this is not attached. They're not going to be inspecting the appliances that are separate from the property. He already found a problem with the garage door that's not working. So the garage door is already not working. That's going to be on the report. And if you had not done the inspection report, a lot of these things will be missed, and then you're going to be closing on a property that is fully not functioning the correct way. A lot of homes in Texas, you guys will see there have a water softener pipe loop right here. This property has a tankless water heater, which is right here, which also is going to be inspected by the home inspector. He already checked the roof of the property. He went up there. He found some shingles that are already left on there. He also checked all of the electrical in this property. So yes, this looks like it's ready to move in, right? It's a perfectly clean. Everything seems to your naked eye that there's no problem. But I want to see what we find in the inspection report and kind of tell you guys the importance on getting that done. What are you trying to look for up there, John?
Just looking to see like the framing, ventilation, making sure stuff's going through the roof. Having some chemicals. Actually, no, in ovens, this is probably a brand new oven. They haven't used it yet. Just burning off. Like, if it smells like sulfurish kind of smell.
Yeah.
It's just like that. The first time you turn it on.
Guys, I got scared that something was burning up in this house. Hey, John, thanks for doing the home inspection on a brand new construction home. Can you tell us what you found in this report?
Yeah, so not a lot of things in the home. A lot of them are minor, easy fixes. But I found a few bigger things too. So I'll kind of go through the report and cover the highlights of it and just answer all the questions and stuff you have. So I always start with the foundation, because the foundation is always the biggest thing for folks. So one of the things that we do is we take measurements of the foundation using this tool. This is a zip level. So it really just measures how level the foundation is. And then we provide you a diagram. So I just draw it out on a piece of paper right here. But you'll get that in a computer, like a web version, a lot easier to read. Good information to have, because you'll typically have a 10-year warranty on your foundation. And this allows you to kind of see how your home started, because it's going to move. But if you get an inspection like in year 9 before that expires, you'll be able to kind of see, how I started, how I am now, and get a better idea of if anything needs to happen. So foundation's good. Next thing is roof. Roof's always the second biggest thing. Roof looks pretty good here. A few minor things. They had some excess shingles on the top, and then some of the fasteners, which are the nails that hold the vents down, things like that, and hold some of the shingles down. They're exposed, so they just need some sealant on them. This house is a 2022 home, which was around the time when Square D had a recall on their panels. And so the interior panel on this one does have, is part of the recall for that. It's a pretty easy fix. It's just making sure that things are tightened down properly on the bus bars. Aside from that, this whole, we checked all the sinks, all the bathrooms, all the plugs, everywhere else. Everything's wired right. Checked all your switches and the panels, make sure they responded. All that was wired right.
Any other major stuff that you found?
No. Everything, the AC is working well, heater's working well. Nothing else. Those were probably the biggest things with the roof and then the dryer vent, stuff like that, and then the panel. So definitely some things to check out, but overall the house is in pretty good shape.
Awesome. Thanks, John.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, guys, that was a home inspection done on a brand new construction home, and I hope you learned a little bit of the importance of doing a home inspection because we found a lot of issues in this report. I know they may be minor, but they are issues, and that's something that the builder has to fix before closing. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment them below. But thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thanks.